Hello, IMTS and Hannover Messe, USA. I'm Tom West of MākuSafe. We're very excited to be in Chicago exhibiting at this year's show. And I'll also be speaking at the Solutions Theater about how this wearable armband technology uses an array of sensors to gather valuable data, and how the now connected worker can be integrated into the fabric of the other connected industrial systems and equipment around them in smart factories. Having data from the worker has been a missing link in IIoT. This creates significant opportunities, accelerates digital transformation efforts, and can contribute to efficiency and productivity gains in your Industry 4.0 initiatives, in addition to reducing risk and keeping workers safe. So join me to hear more on Monday, the 12th at 9 a.m. in the Hannover Messe USA Solutions Theater for how wearable technology provides connected worker opportunities and is disrupting risk and safety. And don't forget to visit our booth, number 135077 in the Hannover Messe USA Pavilion on level 3 of the East Building. See you in Chicago.